In this tutorial, we're going to focus on the SQL keywords order by and descending. In the previous tutorial, we looked at the select, the all, from, and of course the where criteria in basic SQL retrieval queries. Here we're going to look at ordering those queries using the order by. Let's jump into command to jump straight into an example. Let's say again I want to select all the different staff from the staff table. I can execute that and we see the list of staff, all 6 records coming back from the staff table. If I want to order the results coming back from this table by one of the fields, I just have to come along at the end of whatever query it is and typing order by and name the field. So you can see the change. We're now ordered by the position field in this table. If it's a text field, it's going to be alphabetical. If it's a numeric field, it's going to be sequential. And the default is that it's in ascending order. If I want it in descending order, I just have to type in the DESC keyword known as descending just to switch the order. So you can see, again, I'm sorting by position, but it's in reverse alphabetical order. Just like in any database application or spreadsheet application, I can also sort by 2 different columns. So sort by position first of all, but then sort by a secondary column or field as well. So I'm sorting secondarily by salary here. Execute. We can see that alphabetical by position, we're getting 3 assistants, but we're also getting Ann Beecham being the 3rd because her salary is higher than the other 2 assistants. And if we want to swap that around again, I can put in descending and it does the same. I can put in as many different sorting fields as I want. There's no limit. Just note the sequence of all of these different keywords. The sequence is laid out in this list in the order that they should be written anytime that you're writing an SQL statement. Order by and descending, you will notice, are always at the end. It doesn't matter what other types of SQL operations that we do. In SQL, the sorting of the order of the result set is always done after all the other operations. So order by and descending are always placed at the very end of your SQL query. This video is part of a series of videos in a playlist all to do with learning SQL. For more information about the technology I'm using and the merits of learning SQL, go to an introductory video that's up on the top right of your screen now.